Welcome to Jamaica Paradise. Welcome guys to another episode of Jamaica Paradise, where we are taking you on a location in Hanover to check out Ocean Point Housing Development. They have a lot of development features there, and we want to take you through to let you see what they have to offer. Okay guys, we're at the stoplight at Reading at the foot of Long Hill. I'm waiting on the stoplight to change so that we can be on our way. So while we're waiting, I would like to point out the three different type of units that they offer there. They offer 2-bedroom and 1 bathroom. They offer 2-bedroom and 2 bathroom and 3-bedroom and 2 bathroom. But most of the units are already sold out. The remaining units that they have left are the 2-bedroom and the 2 bathroom, and the 2-bedroom and 2 bathroom are going at a cost of $16.3 million. So if you're planning on getting one of those houses, a 10% deposit will be required. That will be approximately $1,630,000. So if you're planning on acquiring one of those units, there are certain documentation that you will need to complete your application. You need some form of identification. You need a pre-qualification letter from a financial institution and proof of fund if you're paying by cash. Continue watching this video while we take you to the location. Enjoy!
We're back, guys. We are Ocean Point. As you look on the left, you can see the houses. A sign's right here saying Ocean Point. So let's go and see and experience this beautiful place. Alright, as you guys look on the right, you can see the ocean right there. Nice cool breeze coming over. And we're gonna take our time, enter. Let's have a second look on the sky, the beautiful sky right there. Let's go. We recently learned that they're gonna have a commercial area on this property with a gas station, a supermarket, and a commercial area. And as you guys see, that is a secure area, 24-hour security, gated community. Right here. So let's look on the commercial area. Right here, right at this spot, we would have the gas station, supermarket, and a commissary. So let's go and see the clubhouse. Right over here, you can see the clubhouse, or the manager office right over here. The conference room is next door. Let's see. Right in here, you could keep your business meetings. And if you got kids, the daycare is right here too, next door. Daycare. And most of you guys Always right to keep your body fit, exercise and everything. After a night exercise, you could actually go in the pool, cool your body down. Yeah. Nice area to keep a little party, chill with the friends, drink a beer. And the gym is right here. You see the young ladies walking to the gym. It's right there. And we were informed that they're going to make a tennis court and a football field and a park for the kids to play. Basically, so this is a place that you have no reason to go outside to get something else, because you got the supermarket here, the gas station here. If you have kids, daycare is here. And if you want to swim, the pool is here and the beach is just across the road. If you want to keep fit, the gym is here. If you want to play a game of tennis, the court is here. If you want to actually play football, the fee is right here. Everyone who live over here will pay $8,000 per month for the upkeep of the place, for the gym, the pool, and everything that we just talked about. But you guys gotta cut your own lawn. That's not included. So let's look on the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let's go.